torí pé bùn bẹ lára mi.
Irọ́ ni o. Bọ̀ kí ló dé tẹ̀yin máa ń gbéra yín síbi tẹ́ ti dé báyìí torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ máa force ra yín to meet up with what you are posting to this. Ẹ kàn da Instagram láàmú, thereby putting the mindset of these young ones and people who believe in you pé yín ni role model. Wọ́n á máa sáré àfàsàfẹ́ kó wọ́n ní débẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé o ò ní nǹkan tó ń sọ pé o ní kiri. Àbíbà tó bá post mọ́tò méjì lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà tó wá lọ ń dí ẹ̀ máa wá pé ká fún ẹ lówó epo. Ó dẹ̀ mọ iye ojúlé tó máa dé kó tó meet up pẹ̀lú owó kó ṣe servicing mọ́tò ẹ̀yọ̀ kan. I know this other particular car is not yours. It's for your man friend. Tábà ní ká cast yín sìn ká jù sínú group. I think I need to send this one to my group. 3 Musketeers Real Celebrity Life. Àbáyé ilé ìfẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni. Òun ló tàgàrà ẹ̀ o. Òun ló tàgàrà ẹ̀ tó ṣe jọ àbúrò. Òun ló ní kó bá òun ṣe peace mix. Time wo ló send ẹ̀? 5. Máa no mi cast ẹ̀ máa mi ní forúkọ ẹ̀ sí tẹ̀. Máa níbi tí mo ti fẹ́ lọ. Bọ̀ wọ́n á tó cast ẹ̀ sí. Ìwọ yìí kan náà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni last year. Ìwọ ló pé Treasure pé ó kàn béèrè nọ́mbà lọ́wọ́ mi pé ẹ fi mí nọ́mbà Treasure tó wá ṣe surprise birthday fún yín o and all that. Mo fún ìwọ ló sanwó fúnra ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ mọ́ra ẹ̀. Pé ìwọ ló sanwó lọ́wọ́ sí. Oh, my heart is heavy right now. I'm moved to tears. Ta ló ń tàn? Ó ń jíra ẹ̀ kàn lélẹ̀ náà. Ọjọ́ alẹ́ ló máa tó mọ̀ o. Pé òòrùn yọ, òòrùn wọ̀. Iyọ́ lọ́mọ kan. Tán lọ́mọ ọmọ ẹ ló ṣeré ń bẹ̀ yẹn ó lè wọnú wọn. Ṣó bí jù kan lọ ni? Ṣó fẹ́ parẹ́ ni? Live your life now, your own life gangan. Hey, ìṣòkò. Àbí? Yes, I read that.
Carpenter, believe in yourself. If you be tailor, believe in yourself. If you be lawyer, believe in yourself. Over shame teacher, yeah, believe in yourself. If you be governor, believe in yourself. If you be banker, believe in yourself. Yeah, yeah. I'm an actor. I'm the best in the game. Emila Featuring O.T Bolts. I am so skillful. I read my script to the letter, cause I'm a professional to the core. Emila Featuring O.T. Mi kì bá wọn ṣàtúnwàsán lórí sẹ́ẹ̀tì o. Mi kì bá wọn tẹ̀gò. Èmi kì bá wọn tẹ̀gò. Èmi kì bá wọn tẹ̀gò. I deliver.
Why do you make yourself the judge of people's life? You are busy with my business. My life is my business. What I do with it is my business. Your colleagues, it's their business. So I have a question for you. When you are busy with other of your colleagues' business, their lives, I mean, their ways of life is not good. They live fake life. Oh, they borrow. Oh, they hoe. Oh, they this and that. Who is helping you? Wọ́n ní ọjọ́ tí abanijẹ́ bá banijẹ́ tán tó dẹ́kun ìbàjẹ́. Ọjọ́ náà la máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Ọjọ́ náà la bàjẹ́. Is there any one of us without flaw? It's a question. But to answer you, no, I have my flaws. And without flaws, a human being is not complete. There's never going to be 100% perfection in anybody. Humans, water, lives, living, non-living. There's not going to be anywhere you'll find 100% because that's not going to be equal to God. God is the most perfect. Call it Allah in Quran or Hausa. Call it Oluwa in Yoruba. Whatever name we adore God for, that's the most perfect person that will live forever. Why you worry? Why do you take joys in destroying others? Do you know this, your tongue? And now computer has made your hands kill faster than HIV, gun, bullet, than Boko Haram insurgency. Because a lot of lives have been paralyzed. A lot of careers have been buried. At the end of the day, where are you? What have you done with your life? Have you been able to build? Oh, lè kọ́lé pẹ̀lú pé kó má bà tèèyàn jẹ́. Oh, lè dá eṣinṣin. O dẹ̀ ń fi ahọ́n àti ọwọ́ ẹ̀ pa iṣẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run dá abẹ̀mí bíi títí ẹ̀. Kò sérè ń bẹ́ẹ̀. Alábòsí òun kọ́lé eré. Nítorí ilé tá a bá fi tọ́mọ, ìrì ló máa wò. Tẹ̀tẹ̀ ń dòpó, abóńdè lọ́rùn. Saheed Òṣùpá ní òǹkàlùkù àbí tiẹ̀ lára àwọn àgbàlagbà ló dẹ̀ pa òwe yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ayé wùwà kò kàn mí. Bó bá ṣe rí ó rí. Tó bá ti rí pé ìwà tẹ́nìyàn wù ó dáa, àṣírí ẹni wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ṣé ìwọ ti bá sọ̀rọ̀ náà? Kudos to all blogs. I mean, if you're a blog, you're a blog. But ẹ̀yin tẹ́ kì í ṣe blogger tó kàn jẹ́ pé inú níbí ni ṣáá. Tó bá ya fíìmù, báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe? Ṣé fíìmù yẹn náà kọ́ làwa ṣe ni? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ló ti wá bá wa ni? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni? Tí ò bá tún yá, wọn mà lọ ara rẹ̀ mọ̀. Tó bá waṣọ, ó ti ń ṣe jù. Tí ò bá waṣọ, àkísà ló ń gbé kiri. Kí lẹ fẹ́ gangan? What did you want? Have you checked your own self? Ọjọ́ ń lọ. Kí ni ṣe tẹ wá ń hùwà àdàbà ọ̀nà ní àkúngbẹ̀? Ìgídá ẹ̀yìn oko yín lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àròrè o. Ká láre. Ká lè bá a máa ríre kó sápò kó délé. Please, we need to make a change. Let love lead. it can only be love that will make me see a fault of my colleague and say, okay, let me look for her and do. If it's okay for her to talk back, if not, I move. Oh, sis, I feel I hear this of you, or I saw this. Work on it. I think we can do this. Or you may even want to hear them. People are going through a lot. Even myself. Some people take joy only when they're on set. Just not to fall into depression. And you just say, where you tell me so anything. You don't know. Talk to them. The only word you want to say to them might be the only healing they're going to get for life, and they're going to be forever grateful to you. A lady's chair has healed me and give me strength, even this last month. She doesn't know. And that day that I feel she would need me, I did not have 14,000. But I prayed that somebody borrow me money, and that person said, okay, I dash you 20,000. Mo de lọ gba yìí lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Kò mọ reason tó ń fi di ẹni yìí fún mi. It was that sincere tears. Mo wá wò pé I must be responsible and not fail her. Somebody can need you with their words. Talk to them. Oh, you see that olórí ọkọ Oti máa dá ẹ lóhùn now. Àyànfẹ́ Olúwa ni mí. Oti á dá ẹ lóhùn pé mo lórí ọkọ bó dà pé mo máa ń ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé ni o. Oti kí ló tó ń jẹ gbèsè. Logistic problem mo ní corona ló kó báyé mi. They're gonna talk to you. Kí ló tẹ̀ ń gbégbé fake life? Àwọn ọ̀bí náà ni ló jẹ́ mọ rent àsọyà photo. Things like that. Discuss. Everything is not all about bullying people, and you will laugh. I fear one director is my brother. Àlàyé mi tí mo máa destroy báyìí lórí set kò tó bó bá dẹ̀ ti ń yọ lọ́ọ̀kan ló máa fún ẹ lórí kì pẹ̀lú orin. Why are you like that now? Stop ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ gangan. Stop where? Let's make Nollywood be who we are. Hollywood do not have the story that we got. They can't even script our story. Do you know we have good story? We've got good story. We're not learning to develop our plotting, our pictures, our effects.
Abínibíni kì í ṣàbílítì o. Iṣẹ́ oríran wa làwa mọ̀ ń ṣe o. Òṣèré ni wá káyọ̀ tẹ̀gàn kúrò. Àgbàlẹ̀tù ọmọdé làwo. Ológùrò ṣeré nú oko. Gbogbo ẹ̀yà farabalẹ̀ ni o. Àwa ń ṣeré o tàbí ṣùgbọ́n kò yé. Kò ṣe gèlè o, èrò gèlè. Ẹni roko, ẹni rodò. Ẹ wá wòran wa o, iṣẹ́ oríran wa ni o. A ó para wa láyọ̀, a ó para wa láyọ̀.